Bullish Hive cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.16 and $2.54 by 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Market examiners accept Hive could explicitly reach $1.16 by 2025 in a kind of huge manner. Negative Hive market cost expectation for 2022 is 20 cents. Hive presentation, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Would you like to know where the Hive cost will go from here on out, and would you say you are looking for Hive cost expectations? We'll look at Hive's verifiable value developments and see industry insiders' thought process will truly happen to its cost from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this expectation and any really other value forecast ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market examiners in a quite huge manner. Also, it is challenging to estimate whatever is great. In any case, in every practical sense, be guaranteed, we'll give it our all things considered, best generally go. What for the most part is the Hive in an unpretentious way. Hive, which really went explicitly live on Spring 20th, 2020, sort of as a blockchain-based monetary record and decentralized data sharing organization that utilizes the designated confirmation of stake convention incredibly. Various applications for data trade in a real sense are upheld by Hive, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The biological system is well disposed to content makers, clients, financial backers, and manufacturers because of the various dApps, APIs, and front closes that add to a wide and basic openness of information, exchanges, and records. Enormous volumes of content might be put away in Hive, which is intended to make that content accessible for time-sensitive adaptation in an unpretentious manner. Web-based entertainment with paid benefits for content makers, intelligent games, character the board, casting a ballot frameworks, and microloans are a couple of instances of sort of purposes incredibly, with the especially objective of accomplishing far-reaching stage and cache acknowledgement. The blockchain's usefulness is versatile. Hive is strategically set up to become one of the top blockchain advancements used by individuals from one side of the planet to the other, fundamentally on account of its blend of expense-free exchanges and incredibly fast handling time, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Hive specialized investigation. Regardless of whether it is challenging to give 100% exact specialized examination for the Hive coin, you can see the accumulated Hive trade rating continuously for the pick time span with this total specialized investigation device from TradingView. The three most well-known specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns, are the underpinning of the HIVE-USD report in an unobtrusive way. Hive current cost. Hive is presently fundamentally worth 25 cents USD, which is genuinely huge. Hive truly has moved 0.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,096,914 in a significant manner. Hive is presently positioned 141 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $130,712,262 USD, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Using the overall strength list, moving pretty weighted normal, Williams by and large fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Hive to basically conclude whether it really will sort of have a bullish or negative year in an unpretentious manner. Hive value forecast 2023. In 2023, Hive cost expectation has a lot of space for extension in an unobtrusive manner. Because of the kind of possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hive will before long outperform 64 cents in a significant manner. Nonetheless, we ought to sort of stand by to check whether the Hive's overall strength list truly emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Hive will exchange with a really least exchanging cost of 51 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 56 cents in a significant manner. Hive value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 90 cents and Hive might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the lovely objective may not be met in a significant manner. Hive is supposed to exchange at an especially normal cost of 82 cents and a low of 77 cents in 2024. Hive value expectation 2025. Assuming Hive effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Hive coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hive will truly be green in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The Hive generally is supposed to really reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will explicitly be genuinely worth $1.16, with a base cost of $1.04 and a typical cost of $1.09. Hive value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Hive cost truly is supposed to generally cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $1.35 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.29 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Hive has a most extreme value worth of $1.42. Hive Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to in a real sense occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the sort of typical cost to around $1.60. In the event that Hive figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could basically see a greatest cost of $1.68. Neglecting to basically assemble the help Hive needs by 2027 could bring about a sort of low of $1.55. Hive Value Forecast 2028. While Hive is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost generally has been put at $1.81 and a yearly cost close above $1.94 in 2028. Hive Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Hive will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.07 and possibly arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of $2.20, averaging out at $2.12. Hive Value Forecast 2030, which is genuinely critical. The digital currency market really is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which sort of is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking, or so they thought, makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should sort of have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Hive cost in 2030 truly is projected to be $2.54 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.43. What is the Hive cost today? Really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today, Hive is exchanging at 25 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $130,712,262. Is Hive a for the most part wise venture? Hive ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year in an essentially enormous manner. Considering this, it generally is shrewd to say that Hive in every practical sense is a sort of good decision of interest in an unobtrusive manner. How extremely high can Hive go? The typical cost of Hive might potentially reach 36 cents this year, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Throughout the following 5 years, it for the most part is projected that Hive may in every practical sense outperform $1.68, or so they thought. How basically will Hive for the most part be genuinely worth in 5 years, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In view of the rising ubiquity of cryptographic money and Hive, a drawn-out interest in Hive could especially see the value ascend to $1.68 inside the by and large next 5 years. How much will Hive be worth in 10 years, or so they thought? On the off chance that you put resources into Hive today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment sort of is normal. The cost of Hive might actually ascend to $3.03 inside the truly next 10 years. What will the Hive cost be in 2023? By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking.